Welcome to LifeAID. Today, we are going to tell you about the benefits of push-ups and why you should do push-ups every day.
Push-ups are a classic exercise that can provide many benefits for overall health and fitness. They are a simple yet effective way to work out multiple muscle groups in the body, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. In addition to building strength and muscle tone, push-ups can also improve cardiovascular health, increase endurance, and boost weight loss efforts. One of the key benefits of push-ups is that they are a compound exercise, which means they work multiple muscle groups at the same time. This makes them a time-efficient way to get a full-body workout, as you don't have to spend time switching between different exercises for different muscle groups. Push-ups are also a great option for those who are just starting to exercise or who have limited equipment. They can be done almost anywhere, with no equipment required other than your own body weight. This makes them an ideal exercise for people who are traveling or don't have access to a gym. In addition to building strength, push-ups can also improve cardiovascular health. As you perform the exercise, your heart has to work harder to pump blood throughout your body, which can help to strengthen your heart and improve cardiovascular endurance.
We will soon tell you more about the benefits of daily push-ups. And if you like this video, I would like to remind you to give us a thumbs up. It would make us happy if you write a comment about your thoughts about push-up exercise in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe.
Push-ups can also be a great way to boost weight loss efforts. Because they work multiple muscle groups at the same time, they can help to increase your metabolism and burn more calories even after you've finished your workout. This can help to support weight loss and improve overall health. Another benefit of push-ups is that they can help to improve posture and core strength. When done correctly, push-ups require you to engage your core muscles, which can help to improve your posture and reduce the risk of back pain. Finally, push-ups are a great way to increase overall fitness and improve your quality of life. By building strength and endurance, you'll be able to do more activities with ease and enjoy a more active, healthy lifestyle. To make the most of push-ups, it's important to focus on proper form. Keep your body in a straight line as you lower and raise yourself and engage your core throughout the exercise. Start with a few reps and gradually increase the number as you build strength. It's not most important to go for high numbers. Daily continuity gives the best effect. In conclusion, push-ups are a great exercise for overall health and fitness. They are simple yet effective and can provide a range of benefits, including increased strength, improved cardiovascular health, weight loss, and improved posture and core strength. Incorporating push-ups into your workout routine can help you achieve a more healthy and active lifestyle.
Remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.